So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and connect your JBL headphones to your iPhone. Now doing this is actually very basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go and make your way over on your iPhone into your settings application like this. And you want to go into your Bluetooth settings, which are right here. So tap right into Bluetooth and you'll come into this page. Now on your headphones, all you're going to want to do is you basically just want to go ahead and flip your tab at the very top open. Now when you do that, you're going to come into this page. Your headphones are then going to start probably lighting up. They're going to start showing these blue lights, as you can see, and blinking. All you're going to want to do here is when they start seeing that, these headphones are going to pop up inside of your Bluetooth headphones or your Bluetooth settings. So now all you have to do is click onto your JBL whatever headphones pop up here. So tap right into here and you should see that now these headphones are going to be fully connected to your iPhone. Now what you can do is you can go and pop them into your ear, and when you actually go through and see your battery widget, if you have one, you should see the batteries are, the battery life in your, JBL headphones are showing up. Now if you close your headphones, they should automatically unpair, but if not, you can also make your way over. As you can see, they automatically unpaired. And if you want to completely remove them from your iPhone, you can also click on the eye here, click on forget this device, and it will go and forget that device. So that's basically how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.